It's off to the races for the Kentucky Derby racehorses this Saturday.
We are learning how to bring the Derby to your kitchen. Churchill Downs executive chef David Danielson is showing us a couple of great dishes. We're going to learn from the master. Welcome.
Hello, hello. How are we doing today?
We are excellent. We're learning all about Vidalia onions. I didn't realize they were harvested in April and they're trademarked.
That is right. They are America's favorite sweet onion and a partner with us this year at Churchill Downs on the official 147 Kentucky Derby menu. Great ingredient. We can't be happier to be showcasing some of these amazing recipes.
David, you do a lot of these events. Is this one of your favorites?
This is the biggest. This is my favorite. You know, I've been doing this a long time, about 10 years here at Churchill, but everything from Olympics to Super Bowls to various other events around the world. For food and beverage, fun, fashion, this is tops.
Yeah, you know, a lot of us might be thinking of having a Kentucky Derby party, and people know about the hats and they know about the mint juleps. I don't know if they're as familiar with food. What do you want us to serve?
So, you know, every year we change up the menu. We write new menus. We find great ingredients, seasonal, interesting things. So this year with the Vidalia, we've got these in several different things. I've got an amazing chicken dish that I'm going to show you how we make this real quick and talk about some of the other uses.
All right.
All right.
So what we do here, you can see we're going to start this off with just a nice hot saute pan. We throw a little bit of oil in there. And we go right into that pan with these chicken breasts. We got a little boneless, skinless chicken. We're going to hit that with a little bit of salt, some cracked black pepper. Make sure we season it up nice. We're going to let that just go for a minute or so until we get some nice color on that chicken breast. Flip them over, and then it's time to add the sweet onions.
Yum.
So now we take these Vidalias that we've diced, throw those in, start to caramelize that a little bit, get some great flavors going, a little garlic. Then we're going to add a little bit of sliced mushrooms to that. Just kind of let that go, stir it around, and cook down together for a minute. Finish that with a little bit of fresh thyme. And then to finish this out, we just add a little bit of a chicken stock, and we're going to reduce that down. Really, really simple recipe. Only a few ingredients, you know, showcase the sweetness of these onions with the mushrooms, the thyme. This is a great dish for spring. And it's easy. Anybody can make this at home. So that's really, you know, and this is what you're going to get if you're standing here at Millionaires Row.
And David, forgive me, what kind of oil did you use? Was it olive oil?
Yeah, this was just a little canola oil, basic, you know, vegetable oil, canola oil.
Looks beautiful. Really nice job.
So if we're ever lucky enough to go out to Kentucky, you're the owner of an amazing restaurant that's actually on the National Register of Historic Places, the Old Stone Inn and Tavern. If we mention Better Connecticut, do we get a good table?
Well, I'll tell you what, we're waiting, you know, through COVID, we've shut that down, so we're waiting to get it back up and running. Right now, we're focusing all our attention on the Derby. We're going to have about 50,000 people here this year serving up some of these amazing dishes. And but yeah, come see me here and I'll get you in, and maybe we'll go visit some people on the backside.
Nice.
And do you have a favorite horse, David? Are you picking any of the horses?
Well, you know, being here in Kentucky, Midnight Bourbon obviously comes to the top of my mind, but I'm looking at them right now. The horses have been on the track all week, so this is when we really start paying attention, and you know, it'll come down to about an hour before the race, and we'll see how I feel, and hopefully we get lucky this year.
Well, thank you so much for being with us, David.
All right, thank you for the great tips. I'm going to make that.
Thanks so much. Happy Derby. Have a great day.
Yeah,
You too.
You too.